During this movie, you will learn about cetacean and how they prove that evolution is real. Cetacean are mostly whales, dolphins, and porpoises. They come to the surface to exhale carbon dioxide and breathe oxygen. Their eyes are on the sides of their heads and their tails move up and down. We will be discussing various topics such as fossil evidence, biogeography, DNA made by cetaceans, embryology and anatomy, comparison to humans, and the future of cetaceans. By the end of the movie, you will learn how cetaceans prove that evolution is real. Fossil evidence. The pelvis in modern whales isn't attached, but fossil evidence shows that the pelvis used to be attached to the vertebrae. The pelvis grew over time because the earliest whales could walk on land. The femur grew shorter because the whales were starting to become better adapt to water instead of land. Dolphins have spines that move vertically, and this is a characteristic mainly found in animals that are able to run on land. Also, the shape of their skull has become larger, which is an indication that the development of the fat pad in the lower jaw emerged. Thousands of years ago, early cetaceans were located off the coasts of southern United States, around the northern shore of what is today Africa, and off the coastline of Turkey. Today, species such as the bottlenose dolphin, the fin whale, the harbor porpoise, the pygmy sperm whale, and the dwarf sperm whale, the rhesus dolphin, sperm whale, and the killer whale are all stationed around the world. The distribution of these species has helped them flourish and expand themselves all throughout the oceans. The cetacean ancestors have mated with similar species to help create and evolve the species of cetaceans that are around today. DNA and proteins. All forms of cetaceans had a common ancestor 33 million years ago. The different sequences in the species relate closely to their phylogenetic relationships, and the component evolves in a focused manner. All cetaceans carry blood-clotting protein gene Y-fibrogene. This is a glycoprotein in vertebrates that helps with the formation of blood clots. Embryology and anatomy. All cetacean embryos have hind limb development. In dolphins, the bud slows down and deteriorates around the 5th week. Many whales begin to develop hair in the womb, but no modern whales have any hair except for on a few spots. Because whales have this gene, their ancestors must have had hair, so therefore their ancestors were ordinary mammals. The body shape of cetaceans is a streamlined and sleek form. The anatomy of all cetaceans usually have flukes, peduncles, pectoral flippers, dorsal fins, rostrums, blowholes, and melons. Comparison to humans. About 100 million years ago, cetaceans and humans had a common ancestor. They both had jaws, were mammals, tetrapods, warm-blooded, and had mothers who gave birth to live young and nursed their babies. In the future, cetaceans may die out because of climate change and greenhouse gas emissions, but they also may repopulate in certain areas. Cetaceans may develop new features and adaptations due to their interbreeding with species that they can evolve with. Cetacean proved that evolution is real.